Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable or turn off inverted colors on iPhone. So if inverted colors is turned on your iPhone and now you want to disable it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off inverted colors on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling and click on accessibility. Now under accessibility, locate display and text size and click on that. Once you click on display and text size, scroll down the page. Here you should have access to smart invert, classic invert and color filters. Now disable smart invert if this is enabled. Also disable classic invert if this is enabled. And lastly, to turn off inverted colors on your iPhone, click on color filters and then disable color filters if this is enabled. Now once you disable smart invert, classic invert and color filters, then this is going to disable or turn off inverted colors on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.